It is December 19th, the 19th day of Vlogmas. As you can see, no improvements have been made to the dungeon, but we do have advents. As always, we start in the dark recesses of the sock corner. There's only one sock here, but I'm going to pull the other one out just like that. Okay, so I have these reindeer socks. I'm not really sure what to think about them. They're interesting, that's for sure. As Lily told me the other day, they sure are something. Out of the mouths of 13-year-olds. Now we are at Funko Pop. Day 19. Ow. I'm still half asleep. Please be festive, Goofy. Okay, it's not Goofy, but I can't even be mad because it's the cutest Pluto. Not as cute as the Lights Pluto. It's still pretty cute. Day 19 rubles. I think it's another accessory kit. Have some yarn. And we have a little owl. Cute. Too stinking cute. And finally, day 19 of Body Shop. Not in there. Way in the back of here. Ugh. Okay. So, all right. Oddly, even though it was face down on the floor, they all stayed in the box. That's impressive. It is also really hard to get these out of here. That. Day 19. Her community fair trade coconut oil is sourced from Samoa, where coconut harvesting is a family business. The coconuts are gathered, hand-cracked, pressed, and filtered by locals using gentle methods and great skill. I didn't breathe there. To help preserve the hardworking characteristics of the oil for your lips. Oil for my lips. Oh dear. Okay. Okay, it's still not coming out. There we go. I'm just gonna spill everything onto the floor today. So, it must be a coconut lip balm. Oh, it's a coconut lip butter. It was one word off. It's reindeer day. Brown sweater. Obnoxious antlers. I'm trying to get it to where it's... So, I'm not gonna drive in these. I don't think they'll fit in the car. Reindeer day. Yay. Hi, I'm just pulled up at home. It was a long day. My hair is a hot mess. I had the little reindeer headband on all day. So anyway, I'm gonna go in and I don't know what, do some advents. Mom has gone to pick Ellie up. So now might be a good time to get a couple advents in. Aw, yeah, you know what time it is. It is, I'm not gonna sing it today because now I feel self-conscious. So we are on day, I'm gonna sing something else. Day 19, but I don't see it. Oh, there it is. Sorry. Oh my golly. Ugh, that hurt. Another white chocolate cocoa, and this will not come out, and this is going to attack me when I do this. Oh, it didn't. Okay, it's just chaos. Right now, in the world, is just chaos. Okay, white chocolate cocoa. White chocolate. Okay. Here is what is likely another washi. So let's find out. Yes, so it's kind of a royal blue. So I'll add that to the collection. So I'm going to make the little cookie boxes for my coworkers. This is what one of them looks like that I made for my godmother. So I got a kit from Down Memory Lane. It's a scrapbooking kit, not Kent. I got it yesterday, and so I thought I would open it today. This is a new scrapbooking kit company for me, and if my understanding is correct, they basically walk you through step-by-step scrapbook layouts. So will be a new concept to me as well. So yes, this is the layout guide, and it shows you like what to do. So this is not, I definitely have a scrapbooking style. This does not fit my scrapbooking style, but I thought it would be worth trying just to see if it gets me back into wanting to scrapbook. Oops. Okay. So there's like a coupon code or something. Yeah. Okay. I'll look at that later. Oh, and they even gave me some crunchy trail mix. Fun. Okay, so there is a die cut. Santa and his reindeer. And these are from Cartabella. And that's one of my favorite companies, actually. And then there's some cardstock below that. I guess like a pre-cut piece of cardstock. I'm not sure. I'm not sure what I think of this because it's not a lot of embellishment options, which I guess if you're following their pre-prescribed layouts and you wouldn't really need it, but interesting. Okay, that may happen this weekend once I'm done with work for the year for 2023. I am in bed, I've showered, started my skincare, and I'm probably going to sleep soon. I'm just so tired. I'm so tired today. Anyway, I did take a nap even this afternoon in my chair in the living room. What I used to affectionately refer to as a chair nap. So, thank you for sticking out with me for another day. This was not a crazy exciting day by any stretch. And please like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.